Hey guys, Jeff here with Mitsubishi Cooling and Heating. Welcome to another episode of Tech Tips. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new Thermostat Interface accessory. The Interface accessory offers a lot of exciting new features, so let's dive in and take a look. Our new interface is going to allow you to integrate any third-party thermostat within Mitsubishi Electric's residential and commercial product line. You're capable of using a stat up to 2-stage heat and 2-stage cool. Now that we understand the capabilities of the interface, let's break down how to install it. First, we'll need an indoor unit that has a CN105 plug. This is used for the thermostat interface to connect to the equipment. Here's an example of one that I'm holding in my hand. The second component you'll need is a 24-volt AC transformer. Please consider the wire distance and gauge when sizing the VA of the transformer. The transformer's main role is to provide 24 volts AC power to the stat. Something to keep in mind when you're installing the transformer. Make sure that metal shavings aren't dropped onto any of our control boards. The third component you'll need is any thermostat of your choosing. We recommend a 2-stage heat and a 2-stage cool thermostat for the most efficiency. The last component you'll need is the thermostat interface itself. Let's go over some of the key items for installation. On the side of the interface, we have a detachable terminal block to land your thermostat wires. Wiring configurations will vary depending upon the system. Please refer to the installation instructions for specific wiring guides. I recommend configuring the dip switches and attaching the wires before I mount the interface. This allows for easier installation. Let's take a look at a few example wiring schematics. In this schematic, we're using a 2-stage cool and a 2-stage heat thermostat. As we talked about earlier, the 2-stage heat and cool thermostat is what we recommend for optimal efficiency. When using the 2-stage heat and 2-stage cool thermostat, you'll want to set dip switch SW2 number 6 to the on position. In this example schematic, we're using a single-stage stat. You'll want to set dip switch SW2 number 6 to the off position. Also, when either Y2 or W2 is left unconnected, you'll want to set SW2 number 6 to the off position as well. When looking at the dip switches, we have a lot of options on how to configure the system. One unique ability is to set up the time off delay for the indoor fan. Using dip switches SW1-1 and SW1-2, we can set our fan off delay anywhere from 0 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes. Using dip switch SW1 numbers 3 and 4, we can set the unit's fan speed to be either high, medium, auto, or custom auto. And lastly, dip switch SW2 number 5 allows you to change the fan speed when the heating mode has satisfied. Let's go over a few key pieces of information on how the interface works. Most of the Mitsubishi systems will sense temperature located at the indoor units. When you install the interface and the thermostat, your sensing temperature now moves to the thermostat. Before we wrap up the installation process, here's a few key things to consider. First, make sure the power is turned off before you make any changes to the dip switches. Second, the interface is intended to operate on one indoor unit and one thermostat. Please don't exceed this. And lastly, any additional information that you may require can be found in the installation manual or on our website at www.mylinkdrive.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for future episodes of tech tips and homeowner help.